Hello everyone, my name is Tavasum. I am here to discuss about some of the interview questions which are frequently asked about the Node.js. First one, what is the Node.js and how does it differ from the other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Coming to the Node.js definition, it is an open source server-side JavaScript runtime environment that allows the developer to build and run server applications using the JavaScript. And Apache PHP is commonly used as a scripting language and which is very easy for beginners and is designed for the web. And the main difference between the Node.js and the Apache PHP is Node.js provides a non-blocking I/O model to provide high concurrency and performance. Apache is serving web pages and handling dynamic content. Coming to the next question, what is a callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in the asynchronous programming? The definition of the callback function is when a function passes into another function with the expectation that the callback will be called at the appropriate time. This is called the callback function and it is called at the completion of the given task. It prevents any blocking and allows other code to be run in the meantime. The main reason behind the callback function is used in the asynchronous programming is the non-blocking property. As the asynchronous function starts the task and then continue executing the next instruction in the program, when the asynchronous task is done, it automatically calls the callback function. That is why we use the callback function in the asynchronous programming. What is the purpose of package JSON file in Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? Here the package.json file is essential for managing dependencies, running JavaScripts, and provide metadata about your Node.js project. The metadata is about its properties and how to install, update, and manage packages and dependencies of your projects, etc. It provides some of the key properties like version, description, main, dependencies, license, etc. Here the version indicates the current version of the project and the description is about the brief description of our project, and main is the entry point for your Node.js application. And here the dependencies, it is categorized into two, which is the dependencies and developed dependencies. In these dependencies, packages required for the production environment, this is installed by the someone when they use our project, and developer dependencies, it is required for the development and it need not to be installed when it is used by someone else. And coming to the next question, explain the difference between require and import statement in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Here both the require and import are used to include external modules and their function in your JS code. They have different syntax and choices between them will be depend on the various factors. The main difference between the require and import is require is an synchronous and import is the asynchronous. Coming to the require, we have to load modules and its dependencies synchronously during initial module evaluation, means it blocks the execution of the rest of the code until required modules are fully loaded. And coming to the import, it refers to the loading of the module until it is actually used in code. The main advantage of this import module is in this scenario where you want to optimize performance by only loading modules when they are needed. So import is used in that case. Coming to the next question, what is middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in an Express application? Coming to the definition of the middleware, these are the functions that are executed during the request response cycle of an express application. They play a crucial role in processing incoming requests, perform tasks, modify requests or response objects, and enables the app to perform various operations in modular and organized manner. What is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP method used in the RESTful APIs. Representational state transferful application program interface is an architectural style for designing networked applications used for building web services and are often used in combination with HTTP. What is the purpose of Node Package Manager (NPM) and how do you use it in manage dependencies in a Node.js project? Here NPM is a Node Package Manager is a powerful tool for managing dependencies in the Node.js project. It simplifies the process of installing, updating and uninstalling packages, making it easier to work with third parties libraries and modules in our Node.js application. NPM also provides tool for managing project dependencies, running scripts and publishing packages to NPM registry. Why it is important to hash password in an web application? Hash passwords is critically important for several reasons. Like hashing passwords is very important in security purpose. It protects the user's data and sensitive information from unauthorized access, and it provides password confidentiality. Even administrators or developers with access to the database cannot see or retrieve users plain text information. This is very useful for the security purpose. And another important use of the password hashing is password reuse. Some of the users may use the same password for multiple websites and services. If any attacker gain access to password on one site, then they may try to use the credentials on the other platform. So password hashing ensures that even if one site security is compromised, the attacker won't immediately gain access to the user's accounts on the other side. That is the reason why password hashing is very important. Thank you.